I was a little girl, and my grandmother lived with my aunt in Brooklyn. I used to, since my mother worked, I spent vacations, summers, holidays with them, with my cousins. And one day I was playing by myself on the porch. My cousins were, I don't know where, and I saw people walking into my grandmother's house. And I thought it was strange. Why are all these people coming in? So I go, being a curious child, I went into the house, and in the kitchen, my grandmother, who was a sick woman and always in a robe with her hair down, is waving a chicken over her head. I thought she was a witch. I had no idea what it was. I got completely hysterical, ran upstairs to my aunt and hid under the bed. They had a tough job getting me out. They explained to me, it's Bubby, it's nothing wrong. I wanted to go home. My mother had to come from the Bronx to Brooklyn and take me home. And that was the first I ever heard of Shlogn Kapores.